are discussing something fundamental that every Revit user needs to know: setting your project units correctly. First, the fastest way to access unit settings: type UN on your keyboard. That's it, you're in the project units dialog. Otherwise, navigate through Manage tab, under which select Project Units dialog. This dialog controls units across all disciplines in your project. You will see tabs for common, electrical, energy, HVAC, infrastructure, piping, and structural, each with their own unit settings. Now we choose common. Here we can see many options. Let's configure the length first. Click on the length row to open the format dialog. The units drop down shows all available options. For US projects, feet and fractional inches is standard. For metric projects, choose millimeters for detailed work or meters for larger scale planning. Now we choose millimeters. Once you select your unit, set the rounding value. You can also choose how the unit symbol displays. Click OK to confirm. The length row now shows your selected format. Next, area. The same process. Click the row to open the formatting options. Select your unit type: square feet for imperial, square meters for metric. Square meters. Set your decimal precisions: two decimal places. Two decimal places works well for most room and floor area calculations. If you are working with larger areas, enable digit groupings to add thousand separators. Make large numbers much easier to read. Okay, okay. When rounding is set to decimal places, you often end up with trailing zeros like this: 5000.00. It is accurate but visually cluttered. Find the suppress trailing zero checkbox and enable it. Here we can see suppress trailing zeros and we enable it. Okay, okay. Now the same dimension displays as 5000 mm. This option is off by default, so you will need to enable it manually. That's how you set up all your project units in Revit. Thank you for watching.